What's going on, YouTube? This is a little unboxing video for the iPhone 12 Max Pro. It's the 256 gigs. This one in particular, I got it from Verizon. I'm with AT&T too. I'm still gonna keep my 11 Max Pro at AT&T, but I got this one from Verizon. Here go the price. This total after taxes, local and state taxes. That's the full price for it. And we're gonna get to the video like this. Went with the gold one. We ain't seen gold in a while. The last phone everybody was going crazy over was the green one. So this the gold one right here. Let me see it. Yeah. So you know I had to go with a clear case. So clear case for this phone. We gotta see this. Look at that, I got a fingerprint already. That's cool. I'm cleaning up before we put it in the case. Clean. It's the gold one. 12 Max Pro. 12 Pro Max, rather. Put them to the side. So as y'all know, they did not put the block in because I figured they want us to use the block from the 12 Max Pro for most of us that got both, or most of us that get iPhones every year when they come out. So it's the Lightning USB-C. So if you got your old phone, you could just use the block for that, or go buy a new block. Amazon, Walmart, Apple. But yeah, that's it. This the phone. It's the gold one. 256. You definitely gonna need a case though. You're gonna see this. Definitely need a case. I'm just not opening that phone.